What's up everyone? It's the Nameless Math and I'll be your online math mentor for today's video. This is my first video and I'll do my best to come up with more in the near future. For today's topic, we'll talk about the distance between 2 points. There are 3 things you need to remember and understand throughout this lesson. First, is that the distance between 2 points is always non-negative. For our first quick example, given that point A lies at 1, 1, and point B lies at 4, 1. The distance between A and B is 3. Another example, given that point A lies at 1, 1, and point B lies at 1, -3. The distance between A and B is 4. I'm gonna explain further how I got these distances later, but for now we should keep in mind that distance is always non-negative, like what you can observe at the first 2 examples. Second, if the 2 points are different, the distance is positive. This means that any points that have different values of the x and y coordinate have a distance that is positive. For example, given that point A lies at 1, 1, and point B lies at -4, 1. The distance between A and B is 5. 5 is positive because the distance between 2 points is always non-negative, and 2 points that have different values have a distance that is positive. Lastly, if the 2 points are the same, the distance is 0. This just means that points that have the same value have a distance that is 0. In our example, both point A and B lies at 1, 1, therefore the distance between A and B is 0. Now, let's move on in getting the exact distance between 2 points. First and foremost, we'll determine the distance between 2 points aligned horizontally. 2 points that are aligned horizontally usually have the same y coordinates. To get the distance between points that are aligned horizontally, we simply subtract the value of the x coordinates between the 2 given points. In the given figure, point A and B lies horizontally with point A at 2, 1, and B at 7, 1. Both also have the same y coordinates. Therefore, we would subtract the value of the x coordinate of point B to the x coordinate of point A. The distance between A and B is equal to 7 minus 2. And 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, the distance between A and B is 5. Now, we'll determine the distance between 2 points aligned vertically. In this situation, 2 points that are aligned vertically have the same x coordinates. To get the distance between these points, we simply subtract the value of the y coordinates between the 2 given points. In the given figure, point A and B lies vertically with point A at 2, 1, and B at 2, -4. Both have the same x coordinates. Therefore, we would subtract the value of the y coordinate of point B to the y coordinate of point A, that is, the distance between A and B is equal to 1 minus -4. And 1 minus -4 is equal to 5. The last and probably the longest method is if the given points are aligned neither vertically nor horizontally. If the points are aligned neither vertically nor horizontally, we would use the distance formula. The distance formula states that distance d is equal to square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Given that point A lies at 2, 1, and point B at 7, 4. These points are aligned diagonally, not vertical nor horizontal, and we would use the distance formula in getting the exact distance. So we'll write the distance between A and B is equal to the formula, square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Substituting the given to this formula, where the values of x sub 1 and y sub 1 is the given ordered pair for point A, and the value of x sub 2 and y sub 2 is the given ordered pair for point B. We'll then come up with the distance between A and B is equal to square root of quantity 7 minus 2 squared plus quantity 4 minus 1 squared. Simplifying those who are inside the quantities, we'll come up with the distance between A and B is equal to square root of 5 squared plus 3 squared. 5 squared is 25, and 3 squared is 9. The sum of 25 and 9 is 34, so we'll later arrive with the distance between A and B is equal to the square root of 34. 34 is not a perfect square, so, our answer could be just square root of 34 itself, or using decimals. The square root of 34 is equals to 5.83. So, our final answer could be either the distance of point A and B is equals to square root of 34, or 5.83. To summarize our topic in getting the distance between 2 points, if the points are aligned horizontally, meaning the points have the same y coordinates, the distance is equal to the difference of the x coordinates. If the points are aligned vertically, or points with the same x coordinates, the distance is equal to the difference of the y coordinates. If the points are aligned neither horizontally nor vertically, we would use the distance formula, which is, distance d is equal to square root of quantity, x sub 2, minus, x sub 1, squared, plus, quantity, y sub 2, minus, y sub 1, squared.